Open your browser and visit the official Binance website. Make sure you are accessing Binance from a trusted source. On the homepage, you will find a button like Sign Up or Create Account. Click on this button to be redirected to the registration form. Fill out the form carefully. Typically, you will be asked to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Ensure that the informati. After filling out the registration form, a verification link will be sent to your email address. Check your email and click on the verification link sent by Binance to complete the email verification process. Binance recommends using two-factor authentication to enhance security. This step is optional but important for securing your account. Set up your 2FA by downloading an application like Google Authenticator or by using SIMS-based verification codes. In some cases, Binance may require you to go through an identity verification process. The specific requirements for identity verification may vary depending on your country. Complete this step by uploading your identification documents, usually a passport or driver's license, to the Binance platform. Binance may sometimes require an additional verification step to further enhance account security. This step could involve adding your phone number or generating a cryptographic key. Follow the provided instructions and complete the second verification step if required. To further secure your Binance account, set up additional security measures. Regularly update your password, enable account notifications, and take necessary precautions to prevent unauthorized access. Congratulations! You are now a Binance member. You can deposit cryptocurrencies into your Binance account, engage in trading activities, and utilize other services offered by Binance. Explore Binance's user-friendly interface. Access the necessary information and tools to manage your account and PER. By following these steps, you can successfully complete your Binance registration. Remember to exercise caution while accessing your account and only provide your personal information to trusted and official sources.